How to bypass AI content detection easily. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, you would be requiring this platform called Stealth Writer, and you can just simply get your AI generated content from any of the websites out there like ChatGPT. Simply get it from there, and after that copy that text and paste it on stealthwriter.ai. And over here, after pasting it, and after that just simply select the option of humanize. You can also select the level of kind of human that you want. The 10 number is the highest level of humanizing. So after this way, your content will not be detected by AI detectors out there. But the best one is the ghost one, but it is in the paid version, so you will have to purchase the paid plan. After that you would be able to get ghost one. But this ninja mode is also good, and as most of the AI detectors will not be able to detect your AI content quite easily even with ninja mode. So this is how you would be able to avoid it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.